come here, get a little bit closer. I want you to get up close and personal with this. This is the Thumper Fab UTV jug mount, and it fits almost every model for the UTV. Really unique design. Pull the pin, so when you're not using your jug, you can close her back up, pull that pin, fold it down, and now you have full access of your bed, so you don't lose any storage space when you're ready to put those jugs back to use, because who likes stuff spilling over? We need stuff that's secure. Pull it right back open. You're ready to ride. That simple, that easy. So if you're ready to secure your jugs just like these, check them out on the website, thumperfab.com. Find a dealer near you. I'll see you on the trail.